And now our clip is ready to be edited on our timeline. And the first thing I want to do here is zoom into my timeline because everything is a little bit too small right now. To zoom into your timeline, press the Control button on your keyboard. And if you're on Mac, that's going to be Command. And then press the plus button on your keyboard. As I'm holding down Control and pressing the plus button, you'll see that I zoom into my timeline every single time I press it. If you zoom in too far, however, and you want to zoom out, just hold down Control and press the minus button on your keyboard. Each time I press the minus button, you'll see that I zoom out of my timeline. That is one way to do it. The way that I prefer to zoom in and out of the timeline is by holding down Control again and then scrolling up and down on my mouse. When I scroll up on my mouse, it zooms into the timeline, and as I scroll down, it'll zoom out. You can choose which way you like to do it more. I prefer scrolling, so that's the way I'll do it throughout this video. And this is also a good time to note, if you're having trouble keeping up with any of the keyboard shortcuts throughout this video, there's also another link in the description. There you'll find every single keyboard shortcut that I talk about throughout this video. So if you're getting lost there, just go ahead and check in on that sheet.